Hello friends, welcome to our fourth video this week as we look at working with Microsoft Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide and unhide rows, columns, and sheets in Excel. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So, you may be interested in viewing only selected variables or rows, or even the sheet of the Excel workbook. So, to accomplish this, say you want to hide this P class, you select it and then you right click, scroll down and choose hide. It's hidden. Now, say you want to hide row 4, can just do the same, scroll down and select hide. It's hidden. The other option is you can select the column, come over to the Home tab, under Cells, select Format, scroll down to Visibility. Under Visibility, you select Hide and Unhide. Next, you scroll down and select Hide Columns, and then it is hidden. You can do the same for the row. And to unhide it, you can also still come over here, and then you scroll and select Unhide Columns, and it is unhidden. The only limitation with this method is that not all the columns that were hidden will be unhidden. So what I've found useful is, say I've hidden a number of columns or rows. For example, we hid one column here, the P class. So you just bring your cursor over here to this space, and then you double click at it, and it is unhidden. Come over for the rows. As you can see, 3 jumps over to 5, 4 is missing. We had hidden it, so you can just double click here and then it will unveil or unhide your row number 4. Lastly, if you want to hide the sheets, say we want to hide this particular sheet we are on, we can just come over to the sheet name and then right click. After right clicking, you say hide, and it is hidden. To unhide it, you just follow the same, right click, come to unhide, and then you're given a number of options. So I have all these 3 sheets being presented to me simply because I had hidden others prior to hiding the format table. So let's first open the one we have just closed. Hey, this is something that I had closed earlier, hidden earlier. So I've forgotten the name of what I'm supposed to unhide. Anyway, I believe it's format cells. So let's click on OK and see. Yes. So this is the worksheet that we were working on. So that has been it for our video today. If you've enjoyed the content, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos. Thank you and happy learning.